Good morning, everyone. Today I'm actually looking at a large cap stock. Um, I don't do very many large cap plays, but I know I'm gonna do this play. So the ticker is ZM. This is a huge play. Now let me take you back to the 1 year chart so I can walk you through what I plan on doing with this trade. So this is going to be an options trade. I don't do very many options, but I'm not going to pay $164 a share. So let's just look and see what this stock did in the past so that we know what to kind of expect for the future. Because that's how I trade. A lot of how I trade is price action. So if you look at this, we'll just look at the last recent. So the stock spiked up to, let's see, 164.94. Had a huge pullback all the way down to this 133 level. And then it tried to retest the highs at this 161 and it failed and went back down to 108. 108 held, and where did the stock go? Well, now it's at $181.50. But you can see this little bit of consolidation right here. It went from 108 to a high of like 155, had a pullback to this like 138 level. But what I'm seeing and what my plans are for the stock, okay, so you got major support at like this 133.80. Because here's a channel from here to here. So what I plan on doing with this stock is this. We had a huge run up to what, like I said, 181.50. What I'm expecting, what I'm going to do is two different things. What I'm expecting this thing to do is I expect the stock to go back to this 133 level. 133, 135. That is going to be my price target. So now let's get into what my plan is. So now that you know where all my levels are, let's go to like so what my plan is you can see my price target's a 133. So I plan on shorting. So as of Monday, I'm going to see how this price turns out. But if this stock can get up to this 169.09 level, anywhere in here, and it turns this level into a resistance, I'm not going to short it before it. I actually want to see that this level is going to be resistance in this blue area. I'm going to take a short on this position, and then I'm going to cover my position down here in the 133s. I think once it hits 133 to 135, I think it's going to bounce and go back up. So there's two different ways you can play this. You can either wait for the bounce and buy it at the 133s, or you can short it and do what I'm going to do. Short it, write it down, and then if it actually bottoms and consolidates and shows that this 133 is the major support, then wait for the confirmation. Then you can ride it right back up. Over here, it looked like it took like 8 to 10 days to do this move. So this thing does move fast. So what I'm going to wait for on Monday is for this to open up and to see if this actually becomes a resistance. If this actually becomes a resistance, I'm going to take my position. I got to go further out on the options. I'm not really good with the options yet, but I do know price action. So options I'm still learning, and it's not like this is my go-to, but I feel like The only reason why I'm trading this is because this chart has a history with it. And the history is like this. I'm not saying it's predictable like with penny stocks, but the stock seems to do a lot. So this is my game plan on Monday. If this stock can get back to this 169.09 and actually turn this into a resistance, I will take my short position. And then where I'm looking to get out, like I say, is the 133 to 135. That's going to be my target on this trade. So we'll have to see how it plays out Monday. You know, if Monday comes around and it goes lower, I'm probably not going to take the trade. The only way I'm going to take the trade is if this can get into this box. If it gets into this box and shows this is actually a resistance, I'm going to take the trade. So I kind of just want to give you guys a heads up with the ZM trade. Like I say, I'm not switching to large caps. My biggest play is at PSTI and the penny stocks. But it's a waiting game, and I see a lot of opportunity into this. You know, to make 30 points. I don't see this a really high risk trade at all, especially with options. So if you like the video and you see a lot of potential in this trade, you know, make sure you do your own analysis. Don't go off of what I'm saying. Make sure you do your own due diligence. You understand where I'm coming from before you do it. But like I say, this is going to be a great play that's coming up, and I think it's going to happen this week. It could be Monday or Tuesday. But like I say, this has to become this 169.09 has anywhere in this has to become a resistance. If it does not become a resistance, I am not going to short it. So it's kind of be my first big play, I guess, on this one. But I'll also be looking at this on Monday too, while I'm waiting for PSTI to play out. So make sure to like, subscribe. If you like this trade, take it. But make sure you do your own due diligence. Do not follow what I'm telling you. You know, this is my trade. I don't want you to do it and then, you know what I mean? So until next time, traders, peace.